In today's video, I am going to show you how to add a Facebook pixel to your Wix website. This is essential for tracking visitor activity and optimizing your ad campaigns. Start by logging into your Wix account and go to your site dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your website settings. Next, navigate to the Marketing and Integration section, sometimes labeled as Domains and Marketing depending on your Wix version. Here, look for Metapixel and CAPI conversions. This is where Wix allows you to connect your Facebook pixel to your site. Click Connect and Wix will guide you through the setup. You might need to configure a few options depending on your needs, but Wix's instructions make it straightforward. Once connected, your Facebook pixel is live. You can now track website activity, measure conversions, and improve your ad targeting for better results. If you run into any issues, Wix support and their help center are great resources for troubleshooting. And that's it. With your Facebook pixel integrated, you're ready to make your marketing smarter and more effective. Happy marketing!